I'm gonna start making YouTube videos of me repairing stuff. And today I'm gonna repair this that my friend accidentally tore off. Okay, so I'm going to strip these wires so I can get them visible. Actually, I have a wire stripper, so I'm gonna use that actually. Might be small enough. If this doesn't work, I'll just use. Nope. Okay, well, it didn't fit, so I'll just be using a knife, and I got them. So let me get my soldering iron ready. Okay, the iron is ready. I'm gonna be doing a positive one first. I'm going to remove the motor before I get to that. That'd be a bit easier to do. Should just come out. I don't remember. It's been a while since I've done this. Never mind, then I'll just try to get it working like this. I'm probably gonna use my tweezers so I don't accidentally burn myself. Okay. Really shaky right now for some reason. Get a grip up here before I start. Tune in a bit more. Leaded solder, I believe. Actually, let me get some flux on here. That'll probably help a bit. Just take a little dollop, take it, and then just rub it on right there. Okay, yep. Let me clean it off. Just so I don't accidentally take it off and then just have to redo that again. Get these back up. Now this should work. At least I hope it should. Hope you guys can see this. Okay, I did not make it that time. Okay, I got that one. Now time for the black one. I'm gonna need some tin. And there we go. Now that should be fixed. Right, I need to clean it too, so let me get that. Just some 91% isopropyl alcohol. And a toothbrush. Just kind of do this. And I will put it back together, see if it works on my PlayStation, and yeah. Okay, so I will be testing Need for Speed Shift 2 on that PS3, and let's see if it works. So while Shift 2 loads, what I did, just as like a recap, was friend here ripped off that, dang it, he ripped off that cable right there to that one. So once I get loaded in, I'm going to test it and see if it works. Okay, loaded in. We'll be testing it now. Okay, well, I felt vibration from the other one. Oh, the other one too. It does work. I will just clean it now, and I won't show that video, but I will clean it, and yeah. Thanks for watching.